It works with people. It works with cars. The newly refined Infiniti SL. Aggression in its most elegant form.